Hi guys, so I'm back again with a new vlog. This is gonna be like, I haven't really thought of the title yet, but abhi isme we're gonna be doing like, I think I'm already running so late, so मेरे को चुल भी था to record everything. So guys, today is 7th August and I have got a college in Delhi University and abhi I'm still in Dehradun, so I am gonna be maybe 5 मेरा एडमिशन हो रखा है, तो आई वाज लाइक जब तक आई एम हेयर तब तक आई शुड जस्ट डू द थिंग. सो आई थिंक आई एम ऑलरेडी रनिंग काइंड ऑफ लेट, बट अभी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ऑलरेडी मिस्ड द ओरिएंटेशन डे ऑफ माई कॉलेज दैट आई एम एक्चुअली गोना अटेंड. सो मैंने बोला क्यों ना हम इस कॉलेज इस यूनिवर्सिटी का ओरिएंटेशन डे अटेंड करके ही जाते हैं दिल्ली. सो क्योंकि अभी एक्चुअली मेरे शिफ्टिंग प्लान्स बन ही रहे हैं. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna go to Delhi with my mom. So the thing is कि I am so confused about the outfits. So I'll show you the outfits that I have selected for the orientation. So for jeans मैंने दो ऑप्शन रखे हैं. एक and so अभी I'm gonna be wearing all the outfits that I've selected and then actually choose what I'm gonna wear. And then this cute ass top which I'm most likely not gonna wear because it's very cute, but I am kind of, I wanna go for like a full sleeves look because why mere haath. So for the full sleeves I've got these two. ये एक shirt, this is like a cropped shirt, very cute. This is like a shirt but a zipper at the same time, like it has a zip basically. It is also very cute and it's kind of fitting. So this one is in blue and the other one that I just showed was in black. And oh my fucking god, it has this corset kind of bag which is exciting. मेरे पास like मेरे पूरी closet में only these are the two pieces that are actually full sleeves. So this is like amazing and this is a sign for me to shop more full sleeves clothes because ये देखो भाई मेरे हाफ स्लीव्स कपड़े पहन के मेरे हाथों की इतनी रेड मार चुकी है मेरे आर्म्स की. So I actually gotta start doing arm care like, and I look like a piece of shit right now, but trust me I'm gonna fix that. भाई दोनों ही बहुत ही बकवास लग रहे हैं. I will probably wear this shirt, but not with this. This is how it looks with this shirt. अभी उस टाइम पे I literally thought it's gonna be such a outfit, but it looks very cool. This is a low rise. Look. Like this is the final outfit. After wearing the outfit, this is what I'm gonna be doing for my face. Sample lotion. I'm gonna be doing all this. These three are lip products. This is a concealer. So ये वाला lip product I only took to like do the under eyes like. I am so fucking scared bro, like बहुत जल्दीबाजी में I am doing all this. So I hope this doesn't look like shit because I am like a makeup beginner. So I just hope कि मेरा phone ना बजे. I'm just so scared. I don't even think it made any difference, but चलो भाई वो भी है. But I'm so fucking dead. मेरी मम्मी का कॉल आ गया है एंड अभी मेरी मम्मी नीचे खड़ी है. आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. नो आई डोंट वांट टू अटेंड दैट orientation band because I feel like I look like shit. And तुम्हारे साथ भी बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ होगा that you know if you feel like you don't feel like you look like the shit, you don't want to go outside. Kabhi kabhar, like not all the time, bro. This is done. Only taking my lip balm.
I thought I was ready to be back. I thought I was stronger than this, but obviously I'm not. I want to go home.
This is so hilarious. Hi guys, so this is the next day and today we have some work to do and उसमें से सबसे दिमाग ख़राब करने वाला काम है पैकिंग. तो I have to pack my clothes and guys let me just tell you देहरादून का मौसम is just so unpredictable. अभी ही थोड़ी देर पहले धूप लगी हुई थी and I just put my clothes out and भाई ग्रे हो चुका है बाहर, ग्रे. एंड पिसेस मी ऑफ सो बैड क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत दिनों से मतलब बारिश ही हो रही है और भाई धूप आ ही नहीं रही है और आ भी रही है तो ऐसे चली जा रही है 2 मिनट में. आई जस्ट थॉट दैट इट्स गोना बी सच अ नाइस सनी डे टुडे एंड भाई यार आई एम गोना मिस देहरादून. इट इज़ फाइनल दैट आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली. And by all these videos I am shooting in my room only, so like in future I can go back in time and watch how I had this room looking like. And like भाई अभी तो मेरे को नॉर्मली लग रहा है, मे बी इन फ्यूचर जब मैं देखूँगी आई एम गोना मिस दैट और मे बी जस्ट थिंक ओ माई गॉड मैं ऐसे रहती थी. I have made a list of the stuff that I have to pack and देखते हैं अभी उसमें से कितना ही मैं पैक कर पाती हूँ. And I attended the orientation of Doon University yesterday. I was genuinely so impressed by my department. उनका overall university campus is so huge and so green. Wow. भाई and my department professors were like so nice. तो मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा unsure हो गया दिमाग में and I started questioning myself if I actually wanna leave this place for Delhi or not. But to be honest अगर मैं वैसे में सोचूँ तो I have lived here for 3 years now, so I think it's time to get the fuck out of here and explore. तो इतना मुझे पता है कि एक पॉइंट पे अगर मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी, एक पॉइंट पे मुझे I'm gonna regret leaving this place a big time, but कुछ नहीं होता. As I said, nothing lasts forever. तो मेरे अच्छे दिन भी आएंगे, बुरे दिन भी आएंगे. I am kind of ready for that maybe. And guys, yesterday I also got my tongue piercing downsized. Bitch, it is literally the next day and I still did not pack. Anyways, this was the second day of my period, so I was feeling pretty down and just did not want to get out of bed. I did absolutely nothing the whole day. Then at night, I finally packed my clothes. That's it. No shoes, no toiletries, nothing.